We have largely agreed with MCS, with a few reservations here and there, that really for Migori County to continue functioning, we need to make a decision. It may be a painful one, but it is the decision that can be made. That is to have the governor of Migori County impeached. Something so unique about Migori that the deputy governor has in the recent past been denied access to that office, and even the vehicle, official car, was taken away from him. The CECs don't respect him, CEOs, the chief officers don't respect him. He has not been functioning